Hi, this is Nicole Betterly at Empowered Websites, and today I'm going to take you on a little tour through my system that I use for managing content for my blog posts. And so through all of my ideas and through actually my editorial phases. And so I have two primary Asana boards, these little Kanban style boards that use these cards rather than a traditional task management system. I have my 10 by 10, which is where I manage all of my ideas, and I have this broken up into buckets of topics that you can see along the top here. And then I have my editorial phases. The 10 by 10 is a little exercise that I went through a while ago where you generate 10 or up to 10, roughly 10 topic ideas that you want to write about, that you're kind of a subject matter expert in. And then you generate 10 ideas for each topic that can become a specific blog post. And so this is my way of breaking it out. And so you can see I write primarily about web design, using your WordPress website, content marketing, security, those kinds of things. And then once an idea is ready to be worked on, it gets migrated over to my editorial phases where I have my next idea. So this is the idea that I'm working on next, so I can be thinking about it and focusing on it. When it becomes a draft, I actually move it into drafts. And then when it's ready to go live, I move it over into published. And so let me show you how that works. This is the blog post you're reading today. This is how I manage my blog content ideas. And if I click on that, you see the card here. It has a few little notes that I made about it here. I tagged it as Empowered because I actually do blog writing for other mediums for myself, other websites. And then creating content is my category that it's going to be when it shows up on my website. I did set a due date today. That's usually something I set once I've moved it to my editorial calendar, but I happen to know this one's going live today. So what I'm going to do is show you how I migrate it over to my editorial calendar here. And to do that, I change my project and Empowered editorial phases, and it automatically brings up the next idea bucket. I could also, if I was ready to happen to know that this one's going to be a draft already, I can put that into the draft bucket. And when I close that, it has disappeared off of my content marketing idea bucket and is now over in my editorial phases draft bucket. And from here, I can start adding details. I've made the blog post. I've selected my featured image. I like to have pictures of my featured images, so I'm going to go ahead and add that here. And that is right here. It's going to upload it, and it makes it a nice picture on it when it's showing on my display. And then when I have actually published it, I can drag it over to Empowered Published, and there it will be. And that's how I can keep track of the blog posts that I've already published. And then, like I said, I also blog at The Productive Freelancer and at Chamber Dashboard, and so I have other things that I track here as well. But anyhow, hopefully that gives you some ideas and inspiration for your own